Hi, this is Randy Kirk, and Zero Sum Game has done it again. He's got more information. You're going to want this information. It is really, this guy is doing an incredible job. I'm not sure whether he had some reporting background in his life, but he certainly knows how to dig and get great reporting. And this continues to be about Lathrop and about the energy storage, megapacks and whatnot. Would you mind if I took 1 second to do just a quick commercial? Do you have any friends right now, friends of yours, family members that are very confused about Tesla? They're confused about what's going on with Tesla, what's going on with Elon Musk. They don't understand him. They don't understand the company. They don't understand where the profits are coming from. They don't understand the entire thing is a confusion to them, or maybe they're Tesla Q. You know, they hate the whole idea. They don't like the fact that there won't be any loud engines anymore. You got folks like that in your life? Well, I had folks like that in my life. So I've written a couple of books right now. Right now, see, I'm great at commercials. I'd like to tell you about one of them. This is my author's copy. That's why there's this black mark across here. But the Elon Musk mission, this book was written by 2 scientists. Well, there's 4 of us total. 2 of them are scientists. 2 of us have advanced degrees. And there was 50 people that fact checked the book. So if you want one place that you could send a copy of this to your friend, something maybe you could read where you would have one place to get all the facts straight. Love it if you'd pick up a copy of the book. Okay, enough commercial. Let's go on. So energy storage. The Zero Sum Game. I should really use his actual name as well. But if you're not following him on Twitter, go follow him on Twitter. Okay, you need to be following this guy. So he dug into some of the code on the order page for the megapacks, and somehow Tesla had left code on that page that gave him the margins. This is unbelievable. It's crazy. But what it showed was that his earlier reporting, where he kind of tried to figure out what the cost of goods would be on an on the megapack, turned out that his reporting was not even as good as the truth. So if the code is right, the margins are 60%. So a $2.2 million product has margins of 60%, which would give them 13.2, I think that's the right math, 13.2 million, $1.3 million in profits on that $2.2 million product. So I'm not sure if the 60% is right. I'm going to stick, for the purposes of this video, we're going to stick with 50% margins, but we're going to take into consideration that the order book is also full. If the order book is full for a year and a half, which is what it shows right now, that if you want to order one tomorrow, you're looking at 3rd quarter, 4th quarter of 2024 before you're going to get delivery. We're going to assume that they're doing everything they can do in Lathrop to absolutely ramp that place up. So therefore, I'm going to make an assumption that they're going to hit at least 40 gigawatt hours, or at least the 10,000 megapacks next year. I think they're actually going to do more, because if your order book is full, and if you know that you can use additional ones for other applications, such as for charging stations, for your own utilities, and there's got to be individual use cases as well. Everybody buys trucks is going to need megapacks. So there's this additional demand out there. Well, then you're going to do everything you can to get Lathrop to maximize capacity. I don't know whether they're working weekends. I don't know whether they're already 3 shifts, but maybe it'll just be a matter of ramping and getting better at what they do. But let's just take that they do 10,000 of them. I'm going to say that it's going to average 2 million, because they're going to give some discounts and some deals and whatnot. And by the way, the $2 million sale and the 60% profit or 50% profit does not include the additional charges that they will make for setup and for ongoing service and for software support and for all kinds of of arbitrage with the local utilities. So there's more money to be made, but let's just go with $1 million times 10,000. It's just easy. Okay. So we're assuming that it's even that you sell it for 2, you make 50%, that's 1 million. You're going to sell 10,000 of them. So you've got $10 billion in profit from Lathrop next year after tax, call it 8.5. So you're looking at over $3 a share just from Lathrop, not counting any kind of IRA incentives, not counting any of the additional profits that might be made off those units. So $3 a share, $3.50 a share, something in that on that order, maybe even more, is going to hit the bottom line next year that is not being considered in any of the pundits' expectations. If the current level is, let's say, $5 to $6, $7 a share by most of the pundits out there, including one of our favorites on Twitter, Gary Black, then now you're talking about a 50 to 60% increase in what the street is expecting just based on MegaPacks out of Lathrop. Show me where I'm wrong. I think I've got it right. I did want to bring you this new information with regard to the 60% margins. I hope you have a great Christmas, New Year's, holiday season. Been nice talking to you.